Welcome back, guys. Thank you for watching. The guys from the Better Battery Bolt Company just got back to me with a new product, so I figured I'd update everybody. All the link will be down in the description down below. But one side note, you got to pick these up as soon as they come out. They've been selling out as soon as they make them. So get your hands on them, send them an email, get one pre-ordered possibly or anything like that if you do want something as simple as a bolt for a battery, for a GM side battery that we all know and hate these bolts. Because what is the worst problem with this? They strip out. You can't clamp stuff to it. Look at this. Doesn't make good contact. They're hard to get to. God forbid you need to jump your car, and with a big old cable you can't grab that. The Better Battery Bolt Company solved that with a simple idea. A bolt that's long enough. And again, from my other video, it has a 1/4-inch ratchet to tighten or loosen it. Or you can use your fingers because it's got a grippy grip thing there. Or a channel lock, whatever you want. They come with these little cute little condoms. Oops, wrong. To protect the side of the bolt. So you're asking me, this is pretty perfect. How can you improve this? How can you improve this? Well, I got a package in the mail. They said, we've done one better. Look, more bolts. It's the same bolt, or is it? Look at that. It's about half the size. These are for people who are looking for the same type of bolt with, of course, the 1/4-inch drive, the grippy grip as I call it, the beveled edge that fits nicely into the battery cable terminals, makes great contact also. And that's another thing too. Some of you said to me, well, why don't you just go and buy a bolt from Home Depot? Well, look at the contour. It's hard to tell, but there's a contour in here that makes a perfect contact between the battery terminal and the back of the battery over here. So don't go there. Buy this. This is cheap. What's the big deal? But look at these. They designed this for a more confined packaging to give you a little bit extra more room, and they're about the same in actually depth as the factory GM bolt. Give or take about, a couple of millimeters, but you don't have to deal with this small head anymore. Fantastic. Get one, and you get a little condom thingy to put over it. Covers everything. Does a great job. You can easily clamp on the stuff. Boom, boom. Even with the baby one. Look at that. Voila. Jumper cables, no problem. Battery tenders, no problem. You know you have a secure connection. Battery bolt. The Better Battery Bolt Company. For some reason, I still can't say this damn name right, but whatever. You know what I'm talking about. Great job, guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the extra bolts. Great product. Get it while you can. All the information will be down below. Yeah, talk to you later. Bye.